Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat comment problems. First thing, open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager, go to the Snapchat right here as you can see. Click on force stop, and now all what you wanna do next is click on storage. Click on clear cache, clear data, go back and then click on the permissions. Disable all the permissions and enable them back again, and go to the data usage and do the same thing. Disable all the network access options and enable them back again. Now all what you want to do is go to the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone, search for Snapchat and update it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching this video.